Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips on your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. So we need to remove these earbuds from the charging case, and now let's start with the left one. It's easily, so don't worry. Now let's move to the right earbud, and also is a simple one. Now select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one, and then attach it. Here we go. We just did it for the left earbud. Now let's move for the right earbud. The same process here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.